a new file. So I have already have a okay, I will save it and I will make the tilt to the flip. Then please save the project. So I'm going to use, let me calculate it, kilowatt. Let's please if you don't know the exact size of the panel, you can around 115 kilowatt. It doesn't matter, for me it is good. So we can. Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the second video of our PVsyst series. So in our previous video we have discussed about databases, where we have added a database, database, and we have also learned about the component database. So let's move on, as we are going to start our grid connected. That is about our on grid system. So we will go there and let's open a new file. So I have already have a existing file. We can replace it. Let's make a new file, a new project. I will name it az plastic sundar, sorry, sundar state, or if I'm not wrong we can add, oh it's fine, it's fine. Okay, you can define the client details here. Let's suppose I have a client, this one. I can add the details of the, or we can create a new client and add the details of the client here. So I'm not going to bother about that thing, I will ignore it. So we have to upload the site file. So let's open the file by clicking this, and we have a sundar state. We can okay, and here we go. Okay, but I have to select my weather database, which is sundar state, as I have created it here. Okay, site file name is sundar state and the weather database is also same. So here we go. Selected weather database instances. Please save the project. As we are going to create our project, this portion we can focus, we will follow the instruction which will be popped up here. It is saying the selected weather database file. Please save the project. We have to save the file now. I will save it, and yes, I will save that. Please choose the plane orientation. I have to now choose the orientation of the plane. So we will go to the orientation. As so now it is asking me to select the orientation, like what is the tilt angle, what is the azimuth angle of the my project. So I have now that my panel tilt will be around 5 degree, because I'm going to make a elevated structure here. Like these are the standards which are your like L2 structure, like L2. Now we are going to elevate this structure. So I will make the tilt to the 5, and azimuth will be 0. 0 means it is towards the south, means to south. Yearly irradiation, or summer, winter, we can check the losses or the power factor from here. It is saying that transmission factor FT is 1.03, loss with respect to optimum minus 4.8, which is a yearly loss. Okay, you can see here also it's a panel tilt graph and it's a panel orientation graph. If we will let's see, it's summer, is a graph in summer, and in winter you can see the a huge difference, which is minus 18% loss. So it means the panel tilt in matters a lot in the designing. So let's increase the panel tilt, and so I'm increasing the panel tilt. It is going to reduce to the minus 13 point. So as we know, in winters the sun path will become the shortest, so it also impact the efficiency of our solar. In summer we can say minus 0.4, but as we know, we will go for the 5 degree tilt. It is because if we're going to make the tilt around 10 or 15 degree, it will make like the air pressure of the wind will blow it out, means it will flee away, or what we can say. So if from here we can yearly irradiation yield is minus 4.8%, which is bearable. I will not bother about it quickly. Okay, now it is saying that please save the project. So we will save this, and here we go. Now system. So it is saying we have to define our system. I'm going to use, let me calculate it. Calculator. I have the 360 panels. So, oh sorry, my mistake. I have the 360 panels, from which I have just neglected the 10 panels, I think so, or maybe 12 panel, means it's 50. So I'm going to use, let's suppose I'm going to use around 200 kilowatt. Let's place 350 multiplied by, I'm using a 580 watt panel of longi, it will be around 203 kilowatt. Let's mention it 203 kilowatt. Okay, so basically if you don't know the exact size of the panel, you can click on the node sizing, or you can just check your number of panels, number of from there, and you can add them this here. So if you know that your capacity of your solar system, you can click here, or if you don't already know that how much capacity of your solar project will be, uh, so you can go from there, and you can add the like area of the roof you have the available. So in my case, I have already know that I am going to use the 203 kilowatt, or less than 203, or greater than, it doesn't matter in my cases. So available now, we go to the available now and click, let's search longi, here we go longi, and I'm going to use longi 580 watt panel, and this one 580 watt, yeah, I'm going to use the monofacial one. Yes. Okay, use optimizer, let's use it. Let's ignore it. No, don't use the optimizer. Okay, we are going to use the Huawei technology, as it is already done. Or you can select the another inverter also from here, as per your requirement. Now I'm going to use a Huawei inverter, which is around 115 kilowatt. So let me find out it. I didn't have the 115 kilowatt in Huawei, so I will use the 125 kilowatt Huawei. Yeah, Huawei 2019 160 125, or okay, let's go to the 100 kilowatt Huawei. Okay, I'm using the latest one, M1 series minus 480. Okay, so it has automatically designed the arrow for me, so I'm going to redesign it. It is saying that there is an error 10 input with one string and 6 multiple. So you can simply turn off this, and you can see that the error will automatically goes off. So I'm going to use 18 panels in series, and number of string I'm going to use will be around, okay, 342, or it is saying that I must use the 360 panel. It doesn't matter, for me it is good, so we can click on OK. So here you can see that it has a list of sub arrays which I have selected from here. Longest solar, I have selected 580 monofacial M, which is M series, 18, oh sorry, X6 series, which is mono. 18, I have individual mod inverter, it's 18, and number of string per mbpd is 20, means I have selected 18 multiplied by 20, it's mean it will be around, it will be 360 panels. So in Huawei I have used 100 KTL M1, which I have used 2 modules, and string in mbpd is 1, means 10 will be going to use with the one inverter string. So means 10 string will going to be insert in the one inverter, and 10 other 10 string will going to be insert in the other inverter. So we can click on the single SLD. So it has all draw SLD for me. We can edit it or view it from here. So I'm going to edit it. PV, it's a PV 10 string, 10 string. It's going to do 100 kVA in inverter, and it is going to pop up here. So let's customize it on the other side. It is going to be we can also print that thing, but not going to print it right now. So we can also overview the system, which is here. We will discuss it later. So I'm going to click OK. So here we have selected our orientation and our system. Let's discuss the other things in our next video. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz. Take care.